We'll guide you through how to fix a laptop is on, but the display is black. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because you then can't go and use it. You can't access your files and do what you need to do. So you've got some different fixes you can try. Make sure it's this full video because as I said, we've got multiple. So you want to go and watch it through and you can then try them. And hopefully one of them will go and resolve the problem. First of all, we're gonna try refreshing the graphics. So to do that, there's actually a key combination. What you need to do is you need to go and press down on the Windows key, Control Shift and B together, like so. Tap and hold them and that should go and refresh it. Go and see if the screen then turns on. For the next fix, we're gonna try performing a hard reset. This can often go and solve it. What you need to do is if anything's plugged in, any peripherals, go and unplug them, including the power. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and find the power button. In some cases, it's coming along the top. In this case, it's within the keyboard. So what you then need to do is go and find it, and you need to go and tap and hold it down for 15 seconds. So I'm gonna go and wait for that now. When that time passes, you can go and release, and then you want to go and press and hold it as you usually would to go and power it on. Hopefully now it will go and be fixed. For the next fix, we're doing another key combination. What we need to do is we need to go and press down the Windows key, B, and the power button together like so. Tap and hold them down, and then you can go and release, and it should then go and boot. You can go and see we can do a BIOS update. Go and press enter like so. It'll reboot a couple times. We can then go and press enter. Hopefully now the problem's solved and we can go and use it.